Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I extend my cordial welcome to all the Indian and Iranian scholars who have participated in this webinar. Rumi Day is an opportunity to discuss some aspect of Rumi's idea, especially in today's world where human beings face different types of conflicts and challenges. Utilization of ethical teaching of this great poet who always emphasizes on peace and friendship can to some extent resolve our problems. Rumi in his Masnavi, which is among greatest spiritual work in Iran and world literature, has mentioned that religion is a tool for connecting all people in the path of rightness and trust. He invites all towards human and religion unity and avoiding of religions, prejudices, and concentrate on moderation. Rumi in his Masnavi explained peaceful coexistence, kindness, equality, and other factors of unity and brotherhood in different styles with the help of attractive allegory and linguistic and literary art, and according the audience to influence better on people and change the literature and culture of his era and its effectiveness continued till today. Unity and diversity among religions is a common factor between Islamic mysticism and other religions. Unity in plurality is a complex topic of mysticism. Perhaps the most explicit message of Maulana, which introduced the pattern of perfection, is that when someone gets help from Hablullah and relies from restrictions of human beings, then he can achieve the key of treasure of happiness, and this is divine religion that can connect all people to God. Rumi say that for permanent division and dispute, we must realize ourselves from sensual desires like arrogance, selfishness, etc., and then with poor heart grab the divine strength and move in a straight path. Maulana believed that the final aim and destination of all religions are same, and that is God. And the difference is only in the appearance of any ideology. The reason of popularity of Maulana and his poem is that whatever he defends is based on human nature and the human unity, and religion unity is a topic that is accepted by human nature. The element of love and spiritualism in Maulana work is another factor of his popularity. Maulana start human life cycle from a point, and after passing through fluctuation, return toward the same point. Evolution that eliminations death and connect human to the reality of existence, honoring human rights connected with tolerance and generosity. A person or society who abandon jealousy, enmity, and ignorance for God's sake or for his own interest, assume others as friend and conflict, getting away from his soul and mind. خیر کن با خلق بهره زدت یا برای راحت جان خودت تا هماره دوست بینی در نظر در دلت ناید زکین ناخوش صور. According to Maulana, internal peace is a step toward self-security and evaluation of perfection of spiritual aspects. Maulana believed that human being is a collection of products and it is the root of human conflicts. از احوالم خلاف همدیگر از یکی با هم مخالف در اثر. He believed that work like mercy, justice, loyalty, compassion, peace, humanity, sympathy, to have positive meaning, and love is the most suitable word for God. This word in the spiritual glossary of Maulana has a vast internal meaning. Love in Sufis means the excessive love for love. Maulana speaks with human conscience. According to Maulana, when we address concepts directly in its influences. It is a fact that Rome and India cannot be separated as far as the composite culture and interfaith is concerned. In India, no other literature on mysticism is so loved and so studies as Masnavi's Maulana. I'm pretty confident that the view expressed by the scholar, Indian and Iranian scholar, and lovers of Rumi and various aspects of his personality and contribution will be of eminent significance for the listeners and viewers. I'm concluding my views with the couple of Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi, which Mahatma Gandhi, the father of Indian nation, used to mention in his speech. We are here to create bonds and ties and not to break them. Thank you very much.